Welcome back to another video of Art of You Outdoors. Today I'm going to be making a movable tool chest for some of the new tools I got for Christmas. And what we'll be using is some reused items from the local Habitat for Humanity store. What I got here is a good deal on a upper kitchen cabinet for $10. And you can see it's nice inside. And we'll put a shelf inside. And I also got this nice desk mover for $1. Please stick around and watch me make this cool cart to keep my tools organized. First, I'm going to mount this furniture dolly to the bottom of the cabinet. I got this squared up, and now I'm going to pre-drill some holes so I can screw it down. Now I'm going to measure and cut out the length for the shelf. I had cut two boards, one for the inside shelf and one for the top resting shelf. I added this top board to make the tabletop flush so I can add this toolbox on top. I found this piece of shelf here, and I'm going to screw it to the top so I have a nice little workspace. I was at the Habitat for Humanity. I also picked up this $5 piece of pegboard, and I'll cut out a piece and I'll put it on the back of the tool bench. Got a nice little spot in the back of the tool bench. I'll put the pegboard on, so I'm going to measure it up and cut it out. See, there's a little bit of space between this pegboard and the cabinet, so it'll be just enough room to get our peg hooks in. We found this jar of a bunch of peg hooks at a garage sale for $3, and I'll be adding it to the back of the workbench to hang some tools on. I got lots of room for more useful tools back here, and I can store my drill in the front. Put it in the shelf. There's lots more room. The purpose of my channel is to repurpose things and show that you don't always need to go out to the store and buy the best of the best, and you can just be creative, and I like to challenge myself and show that homemade stuff like this is cheaper, and in my opinion it's way better than buying something expensive from the store. With a fresh paint job that I'll do in the spring, this will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.